Cost tracking. To start tracking your campaign's traffic costs, go to Campaigns tab. Edit your campaign or create a new one by clicking the New Campaign button. In the Cost Model section, you can find different cost model options. Pick the appropriate cost model and enter the amount in dollars based on your traffic spend. CPC option lets you enter the cost per click. With this option enabled, the cost is calculated using the number of visits multiplied by the CPC cost value set. By choosing the CPM option, you can enter the cost per 1,000 impressions. Remember that for the CPM cost model option, your traffic source needs to have impression tracking enabled. CPA allows you to enter the cost per conversion. It is calculated based on the number of conversions multiplied by a defined CPA cost value.
Rev share should be used whenever you want to apply a percentage of your revenue as a cost. With this option enabled, the cost value will be calculated based on the payout, sent in the postback URL or specified in the offer configuration, and the percentage set in the percentage share field. Auto Cost Model enables you to automatically track the click visitor cost, but it is only available if the cost parameter is mapped in your traffic source template. To find out more, check out our auto cost tracking video and a video about impression tracking in Volume.